Today, I'm doing a full install of Hermes Agent and its brand new desktop app on Ubuntu 26.04, then giving the Hermes Agent access to Nous Portal. Hermes is an open source AI agent from Nous Research that grows with you. It runs on your machine, it remembers everything you teach it, it auto-generates its own skills from your conversations, and it will run scheduled jobs unattended 24/7. The agent works seamlessly across the terminal, the desktop app, and every messaging platform you connect. There's no IDE lock-in, nor single model or provider limits. Last week, the desktop app just dropped in public preview. So let's get it running. Step 1, open a terminal. The only thing you need to pre-install already is Git. The official installer script pulls down everything else itself. Python, Node, UV, all of it. You just have to run this one command. It clones the repo, installs the dependencies, builds the agent, and drops the Hermes command into your path. When it finishes, reload your shell, and you're ready to go. Now we run the quick setup. The setup process guides you to connect a provider. I'm going with the Nous Portal. It's the official provider that gives you one-click access to 300 plus models, plus the full tool gateway, which includes web search, image generation, TTS, cloud browser, etc., all under a single subscription. So there's no juggling a dozen API keys. I'm signing in with email. You'll get a code in your inbox. Drop it in, pick the plus plan, authorize Hermes, done. And the timing's good. Nous just joined Nvidia's Nemotron coalition, and they partnered together to make Nemotron 3 Ultra free on the portal for 2 weeks, June 4th through the 18th. It's a 550 billion parameter model built for long-running agents, so it's a strong default to start on and experiment with. We'll grab it in a second. Now it asks for a main model. I'm picking Nvidia Nemotron 3 Ultra free. One thing to call out, that free tag is what keeps it on the no cost tier. So pick that exact variant, not the paid one. And it works the same in the terminal and the desktop app. So we're set on both. Next, it offers to wire up messaging, Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp, the rest. But I'm skipping that for now since today's about the desktop app, but you can add these anytime later. Type Hermes to launch the agent right in the terminal. And I'll ask it something simple. Hi, tell me what you can do. Now, in a new terminal tab, pull in the desktop app by typing in the command Hermes Desktop. That downloads and installs the full app automatically and launches it. Quick note, on Mac or Windows, the desktop app is just a download from the Hermes Agent page on the Nous Research website. No terminal needed. The desktop app picks up the exact session I started in the terminal, a seamless handoff. Let's explore the side panel. First up, skills. You'll see roughly 60 carefully curated skills already bundled and ready to go. Everything from creative tools to research, coding, and more. The agent can even auto-generate new skills from your conversations over time. And cron jobs. These are scheduled automations you set in natural language. Think daily briefings, backups, reports, or monitoring tasks that run unattended, just like routines in Claude or automations in other coding tools. Let's jump into the settings by clicking the gear icon. In the Models panel, you can assign auxiliary models to specific jobs like Vision, Web Extract, MCP, and so on, so your main model isn't doing everything. I'm switching the appearance to dark mode and midnight theme. Down in providers, you can see Nous Portal already connected from the setup we did earlier. And there's a dedicated MCP section for wiring in custom MCP servers if you want to go deeper and create more advanced workflows. Last thing, let's ask the agent itself, what can you do in the desktop app that you couldn't do in the plain TUI? It's going to kick off by researching, using browser tools to look up docs plus other sites, and start thinking. We're just going to let it run for a bit. And that's it. You now have a fully featured, self-improving AI agent with a beautiful desktop interface running locally on Ubuntu. Links are in the description, install docs, the desktop app download, and Nous Portal. If you found any of this helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Maybe advanced skills, cron job examples, multi-agent setups. Thanks for watching. I'm excited to see what y'all can do with Hermes.